Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Yaris airbag. Before starting any work, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal first, then the positive. It's crucial to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes after disconnecting the battery. This allows any residual electrical energy in the airbag system to fully dissipate, significantly reducing the risk of accidental deployment and potential injury. Now, let's gather the essential tools for the job. You'll definitely need a T30 Torx head socket, along with a ratchet and possibly an extension for better reach. A small flathead screwdriver will also come in handy for carefully releasing the electrical connectors. Once you have your tools, rotate the steering wheel 180 degrees to locate the access holes on the sides or underneath. With the battery safely disconnected and your tools ready, it's time to detach the airbag. Locate the two T30 Torx screws, usually found in holes on the sides or rear of the steering wheel, and loosen them. These screws are often designed to stay captive. Once loose, gently pull the airbag module forward. You'll then see the electrical connectors. Carefully press the tabs and pull to disconnect them. After successfully removing the airbag, store it face up in a safe, cool, and dry location, away from any heat sources or electrical charges. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connectors are securely fastened and the screws are tightened. Always double-check your work for safety. And hey, while you're down there, check the description for a link to a fantastic Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.